Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to install a GPU card into the Akitio Node Titan enclosure. While we're specifically installing an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti card, these instructions will be applicable to any compatible GPU. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first step is to loosen the two thumb screws on the rear of the enclosure. Then, push the top panel towards the rear of the unit, then lift it up and off. Next, remove the retaining screw from the open slot of the back plate. If your card is double width, then you'll need to remove the other screw as well, along with the slot cover. The PCIe slot is located here within the enclosure. On the card itself is a notch, which lines up with this pin in the PCIe slot. Move the power cables out of the way and set the card into place. If the GPU requires power, there are two power connectors available. If you need a 6-pin connector rather than an 8-pin one, roll the elastic band off the connector, allowing you to move a pair of pins out of the way. The power connectors are keyed, so make sure they're oriented correctly and then slide them into place. You can now secure the card by replacing the two retainer screws on the rear plate. Place the top panel back onto the Node Titan, then push it so it sits flush. And finally, tighten the two thumb screws. Your Node Titan is now ready to use.